Alright, continue with our piece here. Okay, now we're starting to set our boundaries now as far as what we want to do. Now the hand is here, so let's go ahead and separate our hand now. Okay, we just cut. Now he has the hand in a glove. I'm going to put the hand as a hand, okay? A flesh tone hand, in other words. You can use it as a glove. You can use it as a hand. It doesn't matter. I mean, you know. And we're going to set, see, by creating that hand right in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and for the cuff here, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to come okay. So I've established where my cuff is. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to establish where my cuff is. Just to give me a general idea. See that? To give me a general idea of where it is. Now I'm also going to establish where this cuff is on the coat. Now he doesn't have that on his drawing. I'm just doing that as a okay. Now you can follow the drawing just exactly right. You don't have to. And the cuff goes all the way up here. Okay. And I'm going to remove that up here, where the cuff actually comes up and then goes up here. And the same thing over here. So I'm just adding a few little things, and that's fine. You can do that. Okay. And the cuff comes all the way up here. There we go. Right. Now we're cooking with gas. Just going to kind of establish this a little bit more in here. Okay. All right. Now, let's go ahead and work up here on our hat. I'm just sort of setting my boundaries. This is where our little thing goes, and we cut from the inside in here, and we come to the back, and we go all the way down here, and we cut from the inside. Let me see if I can kind of get that. And the little tassel in here, we want to cut that and move it away from the hair here. There. And down here. And then we come here and we just see that. We're just establishing where our little collar is on the top, not collar but little brim of the hat. See, all we're doing, see that? Is establishing our boundaries here. Okay, see, we've just established that we need to break away just a little bit from the hat here. All right, see, we're establishing our pieces now. All right, now let's go ahead and work on these arms a little bit. Let's go ahead and start taking a little bit of wood away from the bottom piece of the arms in here. And a little bit of wood from this collar here, so it'll stand out. Don't have to stand out a lot, just enough. Okay, and we can take a little bit from this up here. Not a whole lot. It doesn't have to require a whole lot to establish where our arms are. If you look at that from the back, let's take a little wood out over here also. A little wood out from where our, there we go. And take a little wood out in here. Alright, now we're cooking with gas. Alright, let's go ahead and start getting this hat shaped out. At each time we'll start getting things shaped up. In other words, at a time. Alright, let's go ahead. Now what we're going to do, this little tassel in here will be separated from the hat. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, we're going to cut and come in from the hat. There we go. And come in from the hat side, okay, where that little tassel fits. And let's kind of shape that just a little bit. Kind of round it just a little bit. We're going to do some design on it, but for now, there we go, just like that. Doesn't take a lot, see? Now let's go ahead and get this brim at the top of this hat. Let's, from the hat side, let's go ahead and get this brim shaped up right in here. Kind of shaping that hat. just a little bit. Oh, there. See that? Just like that. Getting that hat shaped up. For the back here, same thing. Now on this little collar back here, we're going to break that from the hair and just sort of bring it at an angle like this. There. All right, now on the hands, we're going to kind of bring this down like here and then come up like this on these hands. All right, come that way, come this way, and then kind of, now that area in there, you have to really be kind of careful. Getting my knife down in there. You have to kind of dig it out in there, as we might say. And then you take and you cut into there a little bit. That's it. See how it gives the hand now more shape as we do that. Okay, my time is up again. Okay, we will continue when we get back. This is doing the Mike Shipley Roly Poly Santa rough out.